Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this Movo Ultra Mini wireless microphone, and inside the package there is two transmitters, one USB-C receiver, one charging case, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and a carry pouch. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like in the inside. So inside the package it comes with the case. There's a little hook which could hook onto anything. There's a user manual and then the USB-C cable right here to charge the microphone. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the case. So it comes with a phone receiver, obviously. It's USB-C. So in my case, I would plug that into my phone. And when I put it into my phone, the microphones would connect automatically. Here, I'm gonna take out one of the transmitters. There you go. You can see how it's super small. It's not going to get in your way. And then there's a little clip on the back, which you just clip it onto your shirt or wherever you want to clip it. It could be a hat, anywhere. And I would recommend this to anyone that wants to do, I don't know, content creator. You want to make Amazon reviews, OBS, whatever it is. You'll be loud and clear and you'll sound way more professional.